Imagine a world where life-saving drugs for osteoporosis and cancer become 30 to 50% cheaper overnight. That's happening now, with Biocon Biologics' massive FDA win on Denosumab biosimilars Bosaya and Aukelso, directly taking on Amgen's blockbuster Prolia and Xgeva. Amgen's Denosumab, RANKL inhibitor monoclonal antibody, pulls in over $7.5 billion yearly from Prolia for postmenopausal osteoporosis and Xgeva for oncology in multiple myeloma and bone metastases. But the patent cliff hits hard. Key U.S. composition of matter patents expired in January 2025, opening doors for biosimilars. Under 35 U.S.C. Section 271, E1, the Hatch-Waxman Safe Harbor. Biocon developed these without infringement lawsuits during FDA review. This stems from the 20-year exclusivity in the Biologics Price Competition and Innovation Act, BPCIA, of 2009. Amgen tried evergreening with secondary patents, but courts like the 2023 Federal Circuit in Amgen versus Sanofi tightened enablement under 35 U.S.C. Section 112, making broad claims tough. Globally, Europe's European Patent Convention and India's Section 3D of the Patents Act curb incremental tweaks, speeding up generics. The FDA approval isn't ordinary. Bosaya and Aukelso got provisional interchangeability under BPCIA's 351(k) pathway, A first. This lets pharmacists substitute them for Prolia Xgeva without doctor approval, per state laws, and March 2024 FDA guidance. Key standards in 21 CFR Section 314.50. Biocon proved no clinically meaningful differences through analytical similarity, PK/PD studies, and switching trials for immunogenicity and efficacy. The provisional tag from 2024 draft guidance leads to full status with post-market data. Purple Book updates list them with BINT suffix for streamlined NDAs. Post-approval? Report adverse events via FAERS under 21 U.S.C. Section 356C plus REMS for hypocalcemia black box warnings. In the EU, EMA's regulation fast-tracks via Article 10 for hybrid pathway. EMA's 2023 biosimilar guideline stresses comparability, no auto-interchangeability at national level, but pharmacovigilance per GVP Module 6 and European Pharmacopoeia. In India, CDSCO's 2024 WHO-aligned guideline speed launches, with TRIPS flexibilities like Section 84, compulsory licensing bypassing patents if needed. Costs have from $1,500 per month for Prolia to $750 to $1,000. Life-changing for 200 million plus women with osteoporosis and 500,000 annual multiple myeloma cases. What are the legal guards? Sherman Act Section 1. Antitrust scrutiny post-FTC versus Actavis in 2013 blocks pay for delay. In emerging markets, India's NHIS subsidies and UK's NICE appraisals boost access. Amgen could sue on residual patents via BPCIA's patent dance under 42 U.S.C. Section 262, L, plus Biocon's CGMP compliance under 21 CFR Part 600, and GDUFA 3 fees. What's your take on this? For detailed analysis, see my LinkedIn profile mentioned in the About section of this channel.